Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Football Nail Decals is probably one of the most exciting ways to show your team spirit and add a unique flair to your game day look, allowing fans to express their passion for the sport right down to their fingertips with a variety of designs, from team logos and player numbers to miniature footballs and goalposts, making them a perfect accessory for any football enthusiast looking to score big on style and stand out in the crowd during tailgates, watch parties, or even just every day. Wear. Number 5. Saviland. Achieve salon-perfect French manicures with ease. This kit is designed for both long and short nails, making French tips accessible for everyone. The clear silicone stamper allows for precise placement every time. You can see exactly where you're stamping, ensuring a flawless finish. Bring the salon experience to your home. This tool is perfect for DIY nail art enthusiasts who want professional results without the salon visit. Whether you prefer long, elegant nails or shorter, practical styles, this stamper works beautifully. It adapts to your nail length for consistent results. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to create stunning French manicures. It's your go-to solution for beautiful, detailed nail art. Get that professional salon look right at your fingertips. Elevate your nail game with this high-quality stamper kit. What we like. This stamper kit is perfect for achieving flawless French tips at home. Its clear silicone head allows for precise placement, making it ideal for beginners and those who want salon-quality results without the hassle. If you love the classic French manicure look and want a simple, effective tool, this is the one for you. What people say. The look is clean and classic, and it makes your nails look beautiful and well done without going to a salon. The quality is really good and it feels durable, lasting longer than I expected. Super easy to use to give you the French tips or stamping plates etc. Easy to clean as well. Number 4. Saviland 12 Colors Nail Art Pens. Discover a vibrant world of nail art with our 12 color set. These pens are perfect for bringing your most intricate designs to life. Experience the ease of use with our specially formulated polish pens. They provide smooth, consistent lines for flawless application every time. From delicate dots to bold lines, these markers handle it all. Create stunning 3D effects, intricate patterns, and beautiful gradients with ease. Achieve salon-quality manicures in the comfort of your own home. Elevate your DIY nail game with these essential tools. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for endless nail design possibilities. Get ready to transform your nails into works of art. What we like. Unleash your creativity with this extensive set of nail art pens. Offering 12 different colors and versatile tips for drawing, dotting, and lining, it's perfect for intricate designs. If you're looking to experiment with detailed nail art and want a wide range of colors at your fingertips, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. The decals are very cute and have a good variety of football-themed designs. They are easy to apply and stay on well, even with daily wear. The colors are vibrant and the details on the decals are sharp and clear. Number 3. 8-Sheet Star Nail Art Stickers. Introducing our 8-Sheet Star Nail Art Sticker Set. These dazzling stickers are the perfect fashion accessory to add a touch of elegance and sensuality to your look. Applying these is a breeze. Simply peel and stick these self-adhesive decals onto your nails for a charming nail art design in just a few seconds. They are perfect for both beginners and experienced nail art enthusiasts. Create your own unique and wonderful nail designs with these versatile stickers. They are perfect for DIY nail art sessions with family and friends, adding fun to any gathering or party. These 3D star nail art stickers make the perfect gift for your female friends, mom, or wife. They are ideal for decorating both fingernails and toenails, suitable for home use and professional nail salons. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with your purchase, please contact our customer service for a risk-free shopping experience. We hope you have a pleasant time creating beautiful nails. What we like. Add a touch of celestial sparkle to your nails with these star nail art stickers. The 3D shiny glitters and charming patterns offer an elegant look that's easy to apply thanks to their self-adhesive backing. If you desire a quick and dazzling manicure with a touch of glamour, these are perfect for you. What people say. So many colors and they lasted longer than my nail polish color did. They are perfect fits to nail shape, but you also have to be a little gentle when removing from plastic. No complaints. So cute for simple nail designs. Number 2. DXH Nail CO Fun Football Nail Decals. Show your team spirit with these fun and stylish nail decals. Perfect for any football mom or fan looking to add a unique touch to their look. Applying these decals is a breeze, giving you salon-quality nail art in minutes. Get ready to impress with your game day ready nails. Each decal is designed to fit perfectly on your nails, measuring between 0.40 to 0.50 inches. You get 125 pieces across 2 sheets for endless creativity. Experience the best with our top salon-quality stickers. Featuring a variety of girly designs, including leopard print and jersey numbers, they're perfect for expressing your style. These are a must-have accessory for any football mom. Celebrate the season with nail art that's as passionate as your game day support. With multiple design options, you can mix and match to create a unique look every time. Let your nails do the talking on game day. What we like? Show your team spirit with these fun football-themed nail decals. Featuring girly designs and leopard print accents, they are applied easily with water transfer. If you're a proud football mom or a fan looking for a unique way to support your team, these decals are a fantastic way to personalize your look. What people say? Super easy to apply. Super cute and easy to use to decorate my Color Street nails for football season and using my son's number on my nails. Number 1. Football Mom Nail Art Decals. Show your team spirit with this fun nail art set. Perfect for any football mom, these decals add a special touch to your manicure. You'll get 56 different designs to choose from, ensuring a fresh look for every game. Mix and match to create your perfect style. Applying these decals is a breeze. They work beautifully with regular nail polish, gel, or acrylic nails for a salon-quality finish. Crafted with care in the USA, these waterslide decals are designed for durability. Enjoy long-lasting, vibrant nail art. Get ready for game day with these adorable, small decals. They're the perfect accessory to complete your football fan look. What we like? Celebrate your passion for football with this extensive set of 56 Football Mom nail decals. These high-quality waterslide decals work seamlessly with regular polish, gel, or acrylics. If you're a dedicated football mom who wants to showcase your pride with a variety of stylish designs, this set offers plenty of options. What people say? These football nail decals are super cute and easy to apply. Great quality and they stayed on for a long time. The designs are vibrant and look just like the pictures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.